Hi, welcome to Fratello Initech, your ultimate destination for learning latest technologies.
Hello everyone, I am here to explain about unique constraint. So unique constraint does not allow the duplicate values and no two rows can have same value in a column. So use it to ensure all values in a column are unique. So it prevents the duplicate data and use no two rows have same values in a unique column. So like for example emails and username and phone numbers and employee IDs. By using the unique constraint, our database remains clean and reliable because mistakes and duplicates are blocked automatically. So unique constraint automatically creates a unique index and which speed up the searches and lookups and joins on that column. So it prevents logical errors like incorrect reporting and wrong calculations and multiple records for the same entity. Unique constraint help to avoid these issues. So here we have syntax. So create table name and ID integer. So it follows the constraint name unique. So it will not accept the duplicate ID will not accept the duplicate values. So name and VARCHAR data type. So we can also add unique constraint. When we forgot to add the constraint while creating the table, so we can also drop the unique constraint like this. We have to give the syntax to drop, and if you want to add the unique constraint for the column, so you can use this syntax. So let's do practically. So here I am showing how to add and how to drop the constraint while creating the table. So here I am creating the table, create table. I am taking the table name employee. So employee ID. So take the integer data type. So here you can add the unique constraint for this. So I'm taking the name column, VARCHAR data type. So one table can have multiple unique keys. So you can add not null. So when we combine not null and unique, so it will work as the primary key. So I'm taking one more column, email. So VARCHAR data type. So here I'm using the unique. So just select the query and execute it. So got 0 errors. So let's describe the table name. So describe, you have to give the table name, then select and execute it. So look at the table, see that ID and name and email. So in the key column, so we have added two unique keys for ID column and for email column. So it will not accept the duplicate values, ID and email. So we can also drop the unique keys by using this syntax, alter table name and drop constraint. So you have to give the column name. Just give that syntax, alter table name, you have to give that. So employee, so just drop constraint. So give the column name. So for which column you want to drop the unique keys. So I am dropping the unique key for ID. So give ID. Just select the query and execute it. So got 0 errors. Again describe the table. See that ID column, for ID column we have dropped that unique constraint. So we can also add the unique for names. Here I'm adding the unique constraint for name. So alter table name, add unique. So for which column you are adding you want to add the unique constraint, just give that column name. So here I am adding just enclose with the semicolon, execute the query. So got 0 errors. So describe the table. See that? So it has shown primary key when we are combining the not null and unique. So it will work as a primary key. So already we have added the not null constraint for the name. So again we are adding we have added the unique constraint for name. So it will work as the primary key. So in this way we can add the unique keys. So unique means each and every record has identified uniquely. So it will not accept the duplicate values, and one table can have multiple unique keys. So we'll discuss remaining constraints in next class.
Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel for live updates. Please visit www.fratelloinitech.com for more courses.